नमस्कार। मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है और ओणम की आप सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं बात करूंगी प्लैनेट मार्स के बारे में। 12 ज़ोडिएक्स में से आपका मार्स कहाँ पॉजिटेड है और उससे आप कैसे जान सकते हैं कि आपके होने वाले हस्बैंड या फिर आप शादीशुदा हैं तो आपके हस्बैंड का स्वभाव कैसा है। इसके लिए आप कुछ बातों का ध्यान रखिएगा। चेक what planets are there in your 159, some of the aspects you need to check, and also shed bala the strength of the Mars. So now let's look at Mars in Aries. If your Mars is in Aries, then the husband would be egoistic and he will be slightly aggressive and he will have a lot of influence of his father, and उनका अपने परिवार में भी पिता के तरफ के रिश्तेदारों से काफ़ी मिलना जुलना और संबंध अच्छे रहेंगे. And if your Mars is in Taurus, so the person would be very attractive, good looking, he will be very artistic और उनका अपनी माता के प्रति बहुत रुझान होगा. और ये भी बहुत संभव है कि आगे के जीवन में उनका माँ या बीवी इनके बीच में इस तरह का टिफ उनके जीवन में आए, तो उसकी भी संभावना काफ़ी है. नाउ इफ़ योर मार्स इज़ इन जेमिनाई, so such people are quick thinkers. They act very fast, they like to act fast and they are quite calculative. और एक ख़ास चीज़ ध्यान रखिएगा कि उन्हें पसंद नहीं आता कि उनकी वाइफ को वर्ल्डली नॉलेज नहीं है. So if your Mars is in Gemini, make sure that you're keeping yourself updated on the worldly affairs, and these such people are quite well educated. और एक पिक्यूलियर चीज़ और है इनके साथ कि इनको जनरली कार में कुछ ना कुछ, इफ़ दे हैव अ व्हीकल दे विल जनरली हैव सम और द अदर प्रॉब्लम वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल कार का बैटरी गड़बड़ है या इस तरह का कुछ ना कुछ आपको सुनने को मिलता होगा. And if your Mars is in Cancer, so such people generally are very short tempered, they get anger very frequently and very quickly. इन लोगों का मदर का इन्फ्लुएंस इनके जीवन में काफ़ी होता है. और एज आई मैंशन द केस ऑफ जेमिनाई, इनको भी व्हीकल्स में कुछ ना कुछ इशू लगा रहता है, आपको सुनने को मिलेगा कार बैटरी इश्यूज एंड ऑल दैट यू विल हियर फ्रीक्वेंटली. नाउ इफ़ योर मार्स इज़ इन सिम्हा, so such people, you will find them to be aggressive, and yes, they are influenced by fathers, and they do have ego issues as well. और एक और peculiar चीज़ है इनके बारे में, they are very particular about the time, they like to keep the time. If they have committed, they will make sure that they are reaching on time, and they respect people who respect their time. So make sure that you take care of this. और दूसरा, मार्स अगर सिम्हा में है, लियो में है, तो उनके हस्बैंड्स जनरली बॉल्ड होते हैं या फिर समय के साथ इनके बाल झड़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो यू कैन चेक इफ़ दिस इज़ सच in such case in your life. And if your Mars is in Virgo where Mercury's house, yes, so they are generally very educated, and they may, because Venus is debilitated here, so they may not bother too much about dressing up or looking good or so, but they're very calculative, and they can be quarrelsome, and they can have harsh conversation, or they may have tendency to start any conversation, कोई भी बातचीत वो नेगेटिव टोन के साथ शुरू कर सकते हैं, नेगेटिव वर्ड्स के साथ, अरे ये तो नहीं होगा, ये ऐसा क्यों, तो इस तरह की चीज़ें आपको देखने को मिल सकती हैं. Now if your Mars is in Libra, so this is the house where if your Mars is in Libra, then you will get a good looking husband, and since this is an exalted house for Saturn, these people are very professional, they take their career very seriously. They can be quarrelsome because there is an aspect of Aries on Libra house, so that is also a possibility. Now if your Mars is in Scorpio, so this is if you have this placement, then the husband could be a secretive kind, he may not be very forthcoming in sharing things, and possibility they might have secret affairs. but this is also because this is also Ketu's house, you will exalted house, there would be some impact of spirituality. They would definitely be spiritually inclined. And next, if your Mars is in Sagittarius, they would be aggressive, and they would you will find many of them in, as a good advisor in education field and educationist. So this is one of the decent combination. Now the best combination is if the Mars is in Capricorn. So these husbands, those who have this combination, husbands would be very, very powerful people. They will be very strongly built, and they would have attitude to do their things on their own. They would always prefer to be in commanding position. They will be technically qualified, and you will never hear any vehicle issues, battery kharab ho gaya ya kuch aisa ho gaya. You will never hear all that, and there is high possibility that these are the people very physically active, would be going for mountaineering, for trekking. They have very strong knees. Even if 50, 60, 70, they would be very active, and physically their knees will be very strong. So this is a wonderful combination to have. And if your Mars is in Aquarius, then these people will be financially inclined. They will be very interested in financial gains, material gains, the sukha, things which add to the sukh and the luxury. And they would these people generally are good financial advisors as well. Now, if your Mars is in Pisces, then this is also a good combination, because such husbands would be very caring, and they would love to do yogas and healings, and these are the romantic types. So this is all about Mars and various signs today pertaining to the husbands. And in my next video, I'll be talking about Venus and how you can find out what is the nature going to be for your to-be wife, or if you have a wife already. So watch out for my next video. Thank you.